It's Dr. Cassie Stringer here today. I'm with Dr. Vear. He's been adjusting a ton of patients all week, jiu-jitsu on the weekends, and reading to his son, taking care of his son. So we're gonna have a full spine workout today. So if you can go ahead and go face down. Dr. Vear also mentioned that he has a rib out, so we're definitely gonna get some motion in there. Pretty even. Got some good movement in there. Really tight between the shoulder blades. Take a deep breath in, all the way out. And all the way out. Good. Oh yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Really tight upper back today. Leave it this side up. Again, Dr. Vear's a lot bigger than me. It's not about the force. Left side. Gotta be precise and efficient with the adjustments. Deep breath in. All the way out. On your back. Let's see what's going on with this neck. Ooh. Nice job, Dr. Vear.
Excellent, thank you.
Power's turned on to take care of all the great patients today.